Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now we'll look at the headlines. Union Cabinet gives nod to 12 subsidized cylinders per year. Aadhaar-linked subsidy transfers on bank accounts on hold. Subsidized cylinders from 1st February. Panji police registers complaint against Tarun Tejpal for intimidating and threatening PI Sunita Sawant. Victim girls files fresh complaint against Tejpal. Regional plan after Lok Sabha poll. Government gears up for national games and Under-17 Football Cup on CM's mind. Mines Department makes public iron ore stock ready for e-auctioning. 6,91,792 tons of ore at 5 locations. Training for e-auctioning bidders begins. AAP counters Baba Ramdev support to Modi, says Modi cannot take on corruption, advises Baba to make course correction. And Goa kick-off Santosh Trophy qualifying campaign with big win over Daman and Diu. Alvita Miranda scores twice in opening match. Now the news in detail. The Union Cabinet has raised the quota of subsidized LPG cylinders from 9 to 12 per household in a year. This would be effective from 1st of February. The annual subsidy will burden nation's treasury by almost 80,000 crore rupees. The government has also decided to put on hold Aadhaar-linked transfer of LPG subsidy into bank accounts. Consumers will get the cylinders at home with subsidized rate.
Total annual subsidy burden at the rate of 785. Now it has come to, I think, 800 rupees. And according to this, it will come to about 80,000 crores. The Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs thought it appropriate that we take a decision to enhance from 9 to 12. Cabinet has taken a decision that a committee will have to go into the complaints, objections, raise the people with regard to implementation of the subsidy scheme. Then till such time, the entire Aadhaar-linked or the bank-linked scheme will have to be kept under hold. So that means to say that, people, now we are resorting back to the old system, where, the subsidy will be deposited with the oil companies. They will directly pay the subsidy to the beneficiaries.
कैबिनेट ने आज ये फैसला किया है कि जो 9 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर लोगों को दिए जा रहे थे, उपभोक्ताओं को दिए जा रहे थे, फरवरी के महीने में उनको 1 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर और मिलेगा। मार्च के महीने में 1 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर और मिलेगा। 1 अप्रैल 2014 से 12 सब्सिडाइज्ड सिलेंडर साल में मिलेंगे। हर महीने 1 सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा।
Panji police has registered a non-cognizable offence against Tarun Tejpal for intimidating and threatening investigating officer PI Sunita Sawant. Crime branch has got a fresh complaint on record against Tarun Tejpal by the victim girl in the sexual assault case. The victim girl had informed the crime branch through an email that people connected with Tejpal are intimidating, threatening and intentionally defaming her. Acting on her intimation, a team of crime branch went to Mumbai and recorded her statement.
2 more fresh complaints have been registered against Tarun Tejpal. The victim girl in a fresh complaint filed with the crime branch has alleged that aide of Tarun Tejpal is intimidating and threatening her. She also alleged that some unknown persons are intentionally revealing her identity by circulating a mail containing her photograph. A team of crime branch met the victim girl in Mumbai on Thursday and got the complaint on record. While dismissing the bail petition of Tarun Tejpal, the District and Sessions Court had taken into account the allegation made by investigating officer PI Sunita Sawant that Tejpal tried to intimidate and threaten her. As a rebuttal, a family member of Tejpal circulated a letter to the media written by Tejpal in which Tejpal has refuted these allegations. But PI Sunita Sawant has filed a complaint with Panji police station alleging Tarun Tejpal of intimidation and threatening her. Panji police has registered a non-cognizable offence against Tejpal. Tejpal has not applied for bail before the High Court as he wants charge sheet to be filed first. But according to legal experts, these fresh complaints will create more problem for Tejpal as the court may take strict view of these complaints. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa government has plans to take up the work of regional plan after the Lok Sabha polls. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says the work will begin once the schedule is clear. After successful Lusophonia Games, now Parrikar is aiming for National Games and Under-17 Football World Cup.
National Games and Under-17 Football, ये दो चीज़ें हम लोग लेके आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
और कितना ग्राउंड होएगा सर अभी नेक्स्ट?
उनका कुछ 20 अलग-अलग इवेंट है, उसमें डबल द इवेंट्स है, प्लस संख्या ज़्यादा है. अभी इसमें 800,000 की संख्या थी, उसमें 4 से लेके 6,000 तक रहेगी प्लेयर्स की संख्या.
After successfully hosting Lusophonia Games, government is aiming for National Games and Under-17 Football World Cup.
Because there is an election in between, so I don't want to have any schedule which will intrude into election, because I will not be able to take decision.
Election उपरांत.
हांव तुका तें सांगून ना, तें लक्षांत घेवन schedule मैं तुका सांगता.
Martyrs' Day was observed on Tuesday at Panji Azad Maidan. Governor B.V. Vanshu along with CM Parrikar and others paid homage to the martyrs. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.